this is V from RAYSHAPE. We're a professional 3D printer manufacturer in China, located in Suzhou. We also have branch office in USA and Netherlands. Nowadays, we're at the exhibition of Dental South China in Guangzhou. At this exhibition, we show our best-seller Age Mini. Later, I will show you how our Age Mini works and what's the best advantages of our product. This is our Age Mini, and we designed for clinic side. For this machine, have many best advantages, especially its efficiency, precision, and very easy to use. So now I will simply introduce how to operate our machine and what's the very good function of this machine. In this interface is our print history. You can see all the history you will print. For example, you wanna review the history you print, you just click it and inside. Now it's already here. You can see what's the materials resin you are using. Now we're using Dental TTCMB A2 color and version 1. And it will cost 17 minutes. And it will cost 0.3 this kind of resin. And the total layer is 124 layers. So it's very clear. In this interface is our tools. So for here, it's about the leveling checking. So when there are some printing failure cases happen, it's easy to check what's the cause of this. And this is our clean print resin tank function. When have failure print and have pieces at the bottom of the resin tank, you can use this function to clean the resin tank to make sure the next print will be successful. And in this setting interface, this is many basic information of our Age Mini, like the serial number, the version. And also, you can see here is a QR code. You can just scan and have all the after-sales videos and operation videos you can check so that you can easily to use this machine. This function also very good for dentists. It's called Consumables. Here, you will see a lifespan of our resin tank on our LCD panel. So you can see when is the appropriate time to change the resin tank and when it's time to change LCD panel. For dentists, it's easier to remember when to change it. Compared to the older versions, you need to calculate how many hours and how many days you have been used. So this one is more clear. And here is our tutorial videos instru book. Here, we show all the steps the dentist might will use, like step 1, step 2, step 3. Finally, the end. So even the dentist is the first time to use this machine, it's also easy for them to get started with it. This function also very important for this machine. So the resin tank we use magnet way. This is also a very special function of our 3D printer. We use magnet to stick our resin tank. Now you turn on, so you cannot move it. If you turn off, now you can get it. Thank you so much for the patience to look the video. So if you want to know more information about RAYSHAPE Age Mini, please go for eRis.com. Thank you.